Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Bill from Vision Motorworks. Back again today on the Shovelhead build. I got quite a bit done on it. I did a little more work on the rear section here, and I got most of the gas tank kind of laid out to where it's going to be. I got a little bit more work to do on it, but it looks pretty good. It turned out really good. I went ahead and I made the side pieces for the rear fender. These are essentially the skirts for the fenders. So they're going to be removable. You know, that way you can access everything, be able to get to the brakes and all that stuff in the rear. I got a pretty cool brake setup I'm gonna be putting together. But yeah, this will just be, a skirted piece. It'll all be aluminum, same as everything else, and it'll be made so you can take it off, put it back on, and get to the stuff you need to get to. It should be a pretty cool feature of the bike, I think. But today I want to go ahead and try and get the whole oil tank and where the battery box is going to go. I want to kind of get that all kind of frameworked out, and then after that, basically I'll be starting to make panels for it. So I'll be starting to do the aluminum shaping, get everything kind of set up. But yeah, today I want to go through, get oil bag kind of situated, kind of where it's going to be, what it's going to look like. It's kind of gonna have a, just like a kind of like a horseshoe shape, but it's going to be much nicer, and I want it to kind of transition into this rear fender. So, and then I got a pretty cool idea for the battery box too. So trying to incorporate it all and make it look like one, smooth, symmetrical piece here. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. All right, let's get to it. So we pretty much got that all set into place. With the oil bag, I really don't have to do a whole lot of, inner structure or nothing like that. Not as extensive as this, since it's just going to be, it'll be pretty simple. So really all I had to do was just make it to where I can make the pattern basically. And I went ahead and cut it out. That way I can pull it off. That's really all there is to it. And then I'll just make my panels off from this. And I still got to make the bottom panel, but it's just easier to do it when it's on the table, and I can just draw out where the rear tire is gonna kind of fit into it, But yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And then my kind of fits somewhere in there, kind of like that. And then this section here is just going to be kind of like a filler panel that's going to hide the battery and maybe a little bit of other electronics and stuff behind there. But that'll all be aluminum covered, and the aluminum will go in. Oh shit. Yeah. But the aluminum will go in and roll around. So it should be a pretty cool look to it. Basically at this point right now, I'm ready to go ahead and get started on the actual bodywork itself. I'm not going to mess with the seat pan right now. I'll wait until I got all the bodywork pretty much done, and then I'll do the same thing with the seat pan basically, but I'll form it to the actual bodywork that's there. So yeah, in the next video we'll be starting to make some panels and make some cool stuff. All right. if you're into this kind of stuff, like, subscribe. It's going to be a whole series. I mean, I'm going to be at this for probably at least 4 or 5 months, I'm assuming, maybe a little more. I don't know. It's going to be pretty extensive, so like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right.